this is Holly from Cattle. This is our booth. Our booth is 2Q130. And today I'd like to show you our new switcher. Here you can check. And let's see is video input. It has HDMI and SDI, and it also has audio input XLR. And here, and also the output you can check. It has the multi-view for operator, and it also has a LAN port for controlling PTZ cameras and for live streaming and in social media like YouTube and Facebook. And here you can see it has a very big screen. It can be touched, and it has 8-channel video source. This is a card. And this switcher also can control PTZ camera. This is a PTZ joystick, very smooth and convenient. And this is our new switcher. We are still in development. If you have any idea of this switcher, we can customize for you.